Hello and welcome, RCSchim, at one of the coolest spots I know for drones. Today I also flew with a plane. Will be in a review, hopefully soon. And then I also tested out a new battery here on my trusty 7-inch Chimera7. This is the battery I used. The Hobby King sent me the Turnergy Graphene. It's a 5 amp hour, 6 cell pack. Plenty heavy, but it stayed cool. So the C rating is really good. I do have logs that I can show you now. Quick comparison between an iFlight pack on left top and the graphene bottom right. Both stay above 22 volts under load, which is good. The graphene on the bottom right even stays a little bit higher above the 22 volts. It just keeps it over the whole duration of the pack. I mean, I just used 3 out of the 5 amp hours of the pack, but yeah. It's a good discharge curve. And as always with new packs, I check for the inner resistance of the cells. They look really good. 1.2, 1.3 micro-ohm is quite good. LiPos for more power or lithium-ion cells for longer duration. Check out those batteries. Maybe I have a link. I don't care if you buy them, but Hobby King, thanks for sending this. You should take good care of your batteries. Never keep them charged for too long in your backpack. That's one mistake that I made earlier, a few years ago. After each flight, I always wanted to charge all my batteries so they are ready to go, but it's the worst thing that you can do to the chemistry in the cells. So keep them on storage charge, like 50–60%, 3.9 volts maximum, and they will live much longer. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.